Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to manipulate and change the angles of paths using the draw tool. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now, this is a follow-up of the draw tool. So I'll put a link in the description to the previous video of covering straight lines and closing paths. Otherwise, to locate it, it'll be here on the left. It's the little draw tool. It looks like a pen tip, one of those old school calligraphy ones. Select that, then your pen tool will be selected. You can also use P as a shortcut key. Now, just a reminder, or rather disclaimer, this tool is rather complicated to use, but the more you use it, the better you'll get at it. But you do use it quite often, so I would definitely say spend the time to get familiar with this and competent. So now, like the drawing straight paths on that, we can start by just clicking our mouse, and then we can see now we've got the second point that is connected to it. Now if we click our left mouse button and hold in, then when we drag around, you can see it gives us two control arms. So now we're able to manipulate this path. We're able to manipulate it. Once you like where it is, you leave it, and then you'll see you've got another arm. Now at this point, you can either press Enter or Escape to finalize the path, then it will only draw the path to that point. Or you can select another one, and then let's say we press Enter. Now we've got our nice windy path there. Now keep in mind you can edit it with the shape tool afterwards. So if you're not 100% happy with the curves you've done, you can always navigate to the shape tool and go edit all those paths. Now just a few notes on it. Now let's say you've got your path selected, then we select our pen tool again. Then if you hover over the points, you have different options. So this point, like the ends, if you hover over it, you see your crosshair changes and it gives you a little square. Then if you click that, it will join the path and you can carry on with the path. So if you want to carry on with the path, once again just escape or enter and it will finalize it. Otherwise, what you can also do is, if just make sure you've got your path selected, we go to the pen tool. Now if you go to the between paths, and you might need to zoom for this, as you can see it's a bit tricky finding it, but if you find that point, then you'll see it gives you a minus. Now if we click that, it will actually remove that path. So it's good to know. And then what you can do is, let's go, say we go back to the shape tool, we select that path, you can just drag a little box over it, and then you will also get different handles as you hover. Like I say, for most of these things, it's probably a good idea to zoom in, and then if you keep like controlling or something, you can reshape the path. Now we will cover the shape tool on another tutorial, so we won't cover it here, but just the basics of it is that you can reshape your path if you've drawn it with a pen and you're not quite satisfied with it. Otherwise, yes, that's the basics here on the pen tool, how to manipulate paths. And also, you have these options on top, so you can kind of choose the type of path you want to use. So if it's more rounded one or sharp edged or so forth. Otherwise, if we just head to our website here, you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find videos like this. We also have a variety of different software we do cover, and we have the search option up here on the right, so if you guys are looking for anything specific. Otherwise, also if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.